So guys, today's video is going to be a very special one because what I'm going to do is walk you guys through 6 of the most genius ways of being able to potentially earn an extra source of income with the help of ChatGPT, even if you're a complete beginner. My main aim is to give you a general overview as to what you need to know when it comes to starting a side hustle with AI. Of course, there's no guarantees when it comes to starting any type of business, but if you're able to equip yourself with the right information, you're going to be able to take the necessary steps when it comes to putting yourself in the best possible position. But with all that being said, let's jump straight into one of the first ways, which is to use ChatGPT to help you when it comes to doing affiliate website competition research. Now that might sound like a little bit of a mouthful, but let me explain. There's countless different websites out there that are being ran by people where they don't need to show their face on camera, but they're able to earn something called an affiliate commission. And all this means is that people are clicking on the links on their website, and as long as they're driving traffic to their site, they're of course going to be able to earn that income. And the way that ChatGPT is going to be able to initially help you with this is when it comes to figuring out which websites are doing well so that you can kind of replicate what's already working. So if I just copy this entire prompt just like this, I'm going to open up ChatGPT, paste it in there just like that, and all I need to do is insert the niche that I want to focus on. So what I'm going to do is just type in social media education. So I'm just going to put that in there just like that and then click on enter. Okay, perfect. So it's done exactly what I told it to do. You know, it's come back with these different sites. It's given me the name of the sites, the traffic that they are getting on average per year, I guess, you know, the monthly income that they're also potentially earning and the affiliate products that they're promoting as well. So all of this is really helpful because what I'm going to be able to do is go over to any one of these different sites. And from here, I'm now going to be able to scroll through, see exactly how they've structured things, you know, how they're doing it, the different blog articles that they're posting. And again, I'm going to be able to use this when it comes to helping me if I was looking to build a brand new affiliate marketing website. And this actually now brings me on to one of the second genius ways of being able to use ChatGPT, which is actually when it comes to building the website. You know, you're going to be able to use it using a specific strategy, and I'm going to walk you through it quickly right now. So if I just come over here, I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to paste it in there just like this, and I'm going to make the necessary change. So I'm going to change this again to social media education for the niche. Everything else seems okay. So what I'm going to do now is just click on enter. And there we go. ChatGPT has gone straight to give me everything I need when it comes to, you know, being able to get this affiliate marketing website up and running. So I'm going to wait for it to do its thing and complete it. And I'm going to be back ASAP and show you the next steps that I would take. Okay, so there we go. That took maybe 30 seconds for it to do its thing. But as we can see, it's given me everything I need when it comes to getting this business up and running. It's given me 10 different brand names that I can choose from, as well as what the website is going to be about. You know, it's also given me a prompt for me to actually build the website. I'm going to show you exactly how to use that in a moment. And it's given me the ideal affiliate offers for me to promote and how I'm going to be able to promote them. So when it comes to building the website, the way that you can do this fairly quick is by using a tool like Hostinger's AI website builder. I'm going to leave a direct sign up link to them in my description down below. With that link, you're going to be able to get up to 75% off. You're going to be able to get 3 months for completely free. So what I'm going to do is just click on claim deal. The package that I normally recommend is this one, the business website builder. Reason being is that you can build up to 50 different websites, and they've got all of these different AI functionalities as well. Of course, the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI blog writer, you know, the list goes on and on. So what I'm going to do is click on choose plan. And the one that I normally go with when it comes to the actual period is 48 months, because this is where I'm going to be able to get all of the different bonuses. But it's completely up to you. If you select a lower plan, you can always extend it. But what you want to make sure that you do is come over here to coupon code, and you just want to enter this one. I'm going to put it on the screen as well, because what this is going to do is that it's going to give you an additional 10% off. But once you've created your account, all you simply need to do when it comes to building your affiliate marketing website is enter your brand name and a description. And of course, you're going to be able to get that from ChatGPT. So for the brand name, I'm just going to pick a random one. Let's call it Post Pilot Pro, because this is all about content creation and posting content. So I'm just going to paste it in there just like this. And from there, what I'm going to do is copy the prompt for Hostinger. So I'm just going to copy all of it just like that. Okay, perfect. So what I now need to do is click on create a website. And the main reason why I normally recommend Hostinger to people is because it's going to be able to build the website quicker than any other website builder that I've seen out there. As you can see, it's already been able to do it. So if I just click on continue, if I want to change anything on the site, it's going to be super easy for me to do it. Let's say if I wanted to change this background over here, I'm going to be able to click it just like this, click on edit section, then click on replace image, come over here to free images, and then literally type in something to do with social media. So we're going to type in this keyword and see what comes back. And if I want to change it to this one over here, all I need to do is just click into it, then click on add to page. And there we go. The background has now been updated. And if I wanted to find out what affiliate offers I should promote on this website, of course, you're going to be able to find out that information over here. I can go onto sites like PartnerStack, Impact.com. I can find all of these alternative offers that I can maybe go with. But once you have signed up to whatever affiliate program that you want to sign up to, you're going to be able to use Hostinger when it comes to writing blog articles. Because if I just copy this title, go over to Hostinger, click on AI tools. From here, I can click on the AI blog generator, paste the title that I got from ChatGPT in there just like this. Select the amount of words that I want to go with. I would normally recommend between 800 to 1000, but I'm going to leave it on. Now let's select 800 to 1000 and click on create content. And just like that, guys, as you can see, the article has now been published, and you're going to be able to do that over and over again. Produce as many blog articles that you want, and also insert all of the affiliate offers that you want within this article, so that when someone reads through it, they're going to be able to click into it. And of course, that's where you're going to be able to earn those commissions. So don't forget to check out Hostinger. I'm going to leave them in the description down below. But let's move on to the third prompt, which is using ChatGPT to help you when it comes to finding a winning e-commerce product. So let's say if you would rather go down the route of maybe selling some sort of e-com product, and you want to maybe go down the dropshipping route as well, what you can do is just use this prompt. So I'm just going to copy it like that. And by the way, guys, before I forget, if you want me to make this document available so that you can access it and use it freely, just like the video. If we're able to get 75 likes, which shouldn't be hard to do, I'm going to make it available. You're going to see it pinned at the top of the comments, maybe at the top of the description as well. But let's continue. I'm just going to copy everything just like this, and then go over to a blank ChatGPT chat, paste it in there like this, and I'm just going to change the niche. So let's select the pet niche in this example, and I'm going to click on enter. Okay, perfect. So we've now got a list of potential products that we can choose from, and ChatGPT has done a good job of separating it in terms of trending products as well as evergreen products. I normally recommend going with an evergreen product because you're going to be able to sell it consistently throughout the entire year. So what I'm going to do is scroll down here and see which one stands out to me. So there's this one over here, which is a slow feeder bowl, which I've actually got listed on one of my test stores that I'm running right now. And as you can see, the margin is around 45 to 55%. So if I just copy the keyword just like this, then go over to Google Trends and paste it in there like that. As you guys can see, worldwide, it has been somewhat of an evergreen product ever since 2017. More and more people have been searching for it, and it's quite consistent when it comes to the amount of people that are searching for it as well. And just to quickly show you the pet store that I was able to build, which is this one over here, I'm just going to click into catalog, scroll down, and the slow feeder bowl that I was able to add to this store can be seen over here. And the way that I added this slow feeder bowl to this store was with the help of AutoDS, because if I just come over to their marketplace, I'm going to type in slow, and we're going to be able to see all of these different results. That's the good thing about AutoDS, is that once you've built your store, which you can do with an AI store builder, you're going to be able to integrate your dropshipping store with AutoDS so that you can now go onto it, look at all of these different products, see which one that you want to go with. You're also going to be able to see the shipping time as well. So it just makes things super easy, because if I wanted to filter it between all of these different suppliers, AliExpress, Amazon, DHgate, there's so many different options to choose from, Alibaba.com, the list is endless. You're going to be able to pick your ideal supplier. Normally, I tend to go with AliExpress when I'm testing out products. And to take it one step further, with AutoDS, you're going to be able to select where you want to ship to. So if I wanted to ship specifically to the United Kingdom, I'm going to be able to do that. And I'm also going to be able to select where I want to ship from. So yeah, it just makes things a little bit more easier. You can now click into any one of these different products, view the supplier, view information about the product, the details, the description, the features. You're also going to be able to see the different variants. If there's different colors, you can click into it, see the different images. But yeah, the overall point is you're going to be able to use ChatGPT when it comes to finding all of these different products, as well as the estimated profit margin. And then you can now go over to AutoDS and easily link it onto your store. But swiftly moving on to the fourth genius way of being able to utilize ChatGPT, which is going to be with digital product ideation. So the way that I like to make my digital products, mainly when it comes to making PDFs, ebooks and things like that, is with a tool called Gamma, because you're going to be able to go over to Gamma, paste the prompt, and it's going to be able to make the ebook or whatever type of digital product you're looking to make. So there should be an overlay playing right now that is going to show how simple it is when it comes to making a digital product with Gamma. But the way that ChatGPT is going to be able to help you is when it comes to the initial prompt that you're going to put into Gamma in the first place. Because if I just copy this one, I'm going to show you what I did recently with one of the ebooks that I made, which was for this particular pet store that I'm testing out. If I just come over here, as you can see, I've got this dog training ebook. And the way that I was able to get a really good prompt for Gamma was by coming over here, just typing in dog training for beginners, and as you guessed it, ChatGPT is going to be able to come back with the prompt that's going to be able to do an amazing job when it comes to making the PDF guide. But if you wanted me to make a actual full step-by-step video breaking down everything you need to know when it comes to making and selling a digital product as a complete beginner, just put in the comments down below, do the digital product video as well as your specific location, and I'll be sure to get onto that ASAP. But onto the fifth prompt that I want to show you guys, which is using ChatGPT to do something that I don't really see anyone else talking about, which is to find winning dropshipping stores that you can replicate. I'm a big believer in finding someone that's successful with doing something, whether they're running some sort of blog website, they're selling a digital product. If you're able to get an idea of the estimated traffic, from there you can now figure out, how much potentially they're earning on a monthly basis. Because if I just copy this prompt, open up a new chat, I'm just going to paste the prompt in there just like this, cross check that everything is okay. Yep, looks good. And I'm going to click on enter. It's going to come back with a few different sites that are doing well. And of course you can now copy, any one of them, or you could have just got the URL directly from ChatGPT. But from there, you're now going to be able to go directly onto the site like I showed you before and double check, how they've been able to be successful by drop shipping all of the different products that they're currently selling. And of course, once you found a site that you think is doing well because ChatGPT has told you, you're going to have to do some more research, double check the traffic and all of that. But if you did find a site that's selling products that you can see yourself selling, again, you're going to be able to go back over to AutoDS. And literally just like that, I typed in the keyword for the product in AutoDS, and straight away it's now able to give me all of these different options that come with decent shipping times. But this now brings me on to the sixth final genius way of being able to tap into the ultimate power of ChatGPT, which is with this prompt right here. And I'm not going to show it to you in this video because this video has already gone on a bit too long. So what I'm going to do is leave another video right there where you're going to be able to get a full understanding of how powerful this prompt is, because it's going to be able to set up various different automations when it comes to, again, helping you earn an extra source of income online. But if you've enjoyed this video and you've learned anything whatsoever, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Helps out the channel and helps the video, and it just allows me to continue making content. And if you want to subscribe as well, don't forget to do that so that YouTube can notify you when new videos have been released. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.